Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to take a screenshot within the Python. The compiler we are using is the pycharm compiler. So how we can do it? First of all, we need to import a library that is called as the pyimport GUI. So you need to write import pyauto GUI. Okay, so this is our main library. With the help of this library you can take a screenshot. If you don't have any sort of library installed already, maybe you can see a small red line here. Okay, and what you need to do is to click on this sign, and here you will get the import option or installation option of this pyauto GUI. Okay, after this is done, you need to declare a variable, that is the variable, and we can say as short. Okay, variable underscore as short, or we will just write short, var underscore short. You can write any other variable of your own choice. Variables are just to store data, so you can change their name. Now we need to write pyauto GUI dot screenshot. So screenshot is a function. What sort of function? It is a specialized function inside the pyauto GUI library and is used to take the screenshot. After the screenshot, the data is saved in var underscore short. Okay, after this is done, we need to give var underscore short, the variable dot save, and in save function used to take location on which you want to save this data. So we will just write d colon e. Okay, so sorry, d colon e, and we will just write any name like domino dot png. Okay, so now on this location our data will be saved in the form of a painter what's called as .png file. So we will write and now click on the run button, and we will get done compilation here on the console. Now we will search for this domino file. We will go for D, and here you can see that in D we got our domino png file. So in this way you can take a screenshot within the Python pycharm, and hopefully you got the whole concept behind this code. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.